Scientific miracle. Gecko contains bacteria resistant to antibiotics. A recent study ensures that Gecko always contains inside it bacteria resistant to antibiotics. So, these animals transfer this very harmful bacteria to humans, which more powerful antibiotics are unable to get rid of this bacteria. For that, the researchers recommend getting rid of these geckos definitively. What has been mentioned is consistent with the Honorable Hadith. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever kills a gecko with the first blow, 100 good deeds will be written for him, and less than that for the second, and less than that for the third." Narrator, Abu Huraira.